Yo, it's been a year since I've posted, but I got a package today and I figured I'd make a video about it. At paquete. Not gonna lie, I'm hella excited. Every time I order items for me to vend, I always forget what I ordered, so it's like I don't even know what I got. Which is pretty cool, because it adds that little surprise element. Ooh. Let's see if I can show you. Boom. And then this one goes in here. Boom. Hysteric wallet chain, most likely available at Van Bros. Has a little guitar pick. That's item number one. Ooh. I actually really like this shirt. Yo, this is tiny. That's the thing about Japanese clothes, bro. You never know the actual sizing of this. This is like for women's. This is fire. It has an embroidered H on it. I really thought this was gonna be bigger. I think only 2 items I got are for me. Another shirt, I think. Hysteric Glamour Chaos shirt. Tank top, my bad. Pretty valid. Okay. These are the Junior Watanabe half and halves, half leather, half jeans, size 29, I believe. These are from 2016. Pretty cool. Majority of these items will be available on the site. I have Van Bros. Probably put my Instagram in the description. Now this, another Hysteric Glamour accessory. Oh yeah, another chained wallet. I have one of these, but I use it as a neck chain. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, this is actually supposed to be a wallet chain. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Now we got a Vivienne Westwood wallet here. Pristine condition. 10 out of 10. With tags, cool. Has a coin holder. I think that's what that is. The little Vivienne logo. Nice. Ooh, it's my shirt. Undercover SS03 SCAB patch shirts. Little wrinkly. Looks really small though, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't fit me, you know where it's going. On the site. Close up of the scabs. Bruh, this shirt looked like some balls, dude. Wrinkly ass shirt. I honestly do not remember ordering this, but Vivienne Westwood orb logo, heart orb logo, with embossed hearts and Vivienne Westwood logos on it. I don't even think this fits me. No, this is like a size 30, I believe. I believe I have one more item left. I'm really excited about this one, I'm not gonna lie. Because it's for the keeps. Oh, wow. Undercover 2001 Witches Subdivision Blazer. Lambskin. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Outside it has lambskin. Inside it has crosses from Witches Subdivision. Let me see if it fits me. Hopefully it fits me. I'm gonna be really sad if it doesn't. Dog, this is so nice. That jacket would go nicely with this. Witches Subdivision. Cross tie. I can't put it on. I got a big ass beanie on my. Fire. thumbnail, question mark. I think that's it for this unboxing. See ya. Alright, y'all, a little update on the SCAB shirt. It does not fit me. Fuck. So, it'll be for sale. I'm so confused though because most of the size M in SCAB fits me. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Size M. Autumn Winter 2002, Wichita Division, fits me. Spring Summer 2004, Languid New York City shirt, fits me, size M. SCAB shirt, Anarchy, fits me, medium. And I'm selling this one. I don't know how I got two of them, but y'all hit me up for this. This is SCAB, size L. It fits me way too big. I liked it because of the graphic, but the color was too loud for me, so I got another one in a size L, but it was still too big for me, so I'm selling both. Fuck it. Another SCAB shirt. Public Enemy camo tee. It's a size L, but it fits me pretty well. It's weird because the hem is like cropped on it compared to the other ones. The sleeve as well, it's pretty short. Which is why I say it's weird because they're all from the same season. I think the SCAB shirt that I have on right now, it's a woman's. That's why it fits me so tight. But that's it for this video. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see in the future, because I get like a lot of packages like these in bulk. Also, let me know what I can improve in these videos, the audio, the content, anything y'all can think of. I'm always open to constructive criticism. But yeah, that's all.